Hello, in this video, I will show you how to integrate Gravity Forms with MemberPress. Now, go to the MemberPress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the MemberPress integration page. Here, you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable Gravity Forms integration. MemberPress provides a reject commission on refund option. Set this option according to your requirements. Now click to Save button and save your changes. Save the changes, now go to the Affiliates page. This is the MemberPress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. Now, go to the Gravity Forms page. This is the Gravity Forms page. Here you can see the form list, add a new form, otherwise edit an existing form. This is the Gravity form. Here, I have already configured the form and the PayPal payment gateway. Go to the Settings page. Go to the bottom side and enable the MemberPress commission option. Set the commission type and configure form fields. After that, click to Save button. Now open the affiliate user copied link and open the Gravity Forms form page. This is the Gravity Forms steps form. Set the quantity and click to Next button for the next steps. This is the Gravity Forms Step 2. Here enter the basic details and confirm our amount, and click to Submit button. This is the PayPal payment page. Click to Complete Purchase button. Now the payment is successfully done. Form successfully submitted. Now go to the MemberPress commission page. This is the MemberPress commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related records. See, the first record is Gravity Forms commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the MemberPress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab. Here you can see the Affiliate User commission records and other details. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.